So one more cipher technique that we'll study is the Vigenere Cipher. So the cipher models remains the same, whereas some technique of grouping is introduced here. So let us see how actually that grouping of the plain text is done and how actually it is different from the previous cipher here. Here, like the previous model, it will be given the plain text here, then you have to segregate each and every letters of the plain text. You have to convert them into the piece value, that is the index value, and then you have to, according to the given conditions, then you have to find what is the given key, whether the key is a single numeric value or a group of letters here. So here we are considering the Vigenere Cipher. In this case, the letter, the key will be a word. It will be a word. For example, if you look here, if you look at this example, the key is Pascal. Okay, the given key is Pascal. So Pascal is nothing but a given word here. P-A-S-C-A-L, Pascal. So it is a given word. So what is the length of the word here? The length of the word is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here. So the length of the word is 6. Of this word Pascal is 6. So I am taking here an example of Pascal. So in exam it may be a different words here. Words here, it may be meaningful or may not be meaningful. It doesn't matter. But the only case is that the given key should be a word here in case of a Vigenere Cipher. So here the length is 6 here. And also we are following the same cases of encryption and the same cases of decryptions here. We are following the additive encryptions and then the reverse of that, the subtractions here. For additions in the decryption part, you know that we have to perform the subtraction operations here. So suppose the given plain text is C is listening. The given plain text for this example is C is listening. So first of all, I have to write the whole cases here. How do we write this one? So I write by separating by a gap here, just for the conventions, and just to I provide the given the spaces here so that when we convert it, it looks better here. Okay. So what is the given word here for the key? It is the given word is Pascal, and the length of the letter is 6 here. So after writing the given plain text as it is, then you have to group them into a block of how many? 6 letters here. So how actually, what is the reference point here? The reference point is taken from the given keyword here. Here the given keyword is Pascal and the length of Pascal is 6. So you have to divide the given plain text into a group having 6 letters here. So this is the first group. How many letters it have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it has 6 letters. And then the second group, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here. And this is the last group. So in the last group, we cannot make an additional 6 letter group. So if it is less than 6, then we keep as it is. If it is more than 6, you have to divide it and then put the remainder at the last block here. I mean, the last block can be equal to the length of that keyword or can be less than the length of the keyword here. Okay, so that is the only case you have to consider. Given any plain text, first of all, you have to divide into blocks here. Into blocks or a group, and in that group, it should have the length of that particular block should be 6 here. Means for this example, it is 6. In another example, it may be 5, it may be 4, it may be 2 only. So better consider what is the length of the given key, and then you have to form the group according to the length of the given key here. Here for the given word, Pascal is the key now, so it has 6 letters. So that particular group, when you divide the plain text, it will have 6 letters in that particular group, and in the last group, it can be less than the number of letters in the keyword, but should not be greater than that. If it is greater than that, is not the last block, you have to again divide it into the particular length here. So likewise, we have already converted into the corresponding index number. Into the corresponding index number, we have converted them. This is nothing but the index value of this corresponding letters in the English alphabet, and then we have written the keys here. Okay, so first one we have written the Pascal, for the second one we have written the Pascal, for the third also we have to write Pascal in full, but we have only 2 letters left out. That is why we have taken only the first 2 letters of that particular word here. The first, we should always start from the left, start from the beginning, and then we have to consider only that number of length in the given plain text here. Since here we have only 2, so we have considered only P and A. If we have 4 here, then you have to consider the 4 letters here, starting from the left here. And then for the particular P's value, we have already converted the plain text into the P's value, and for key we have to convert it into K's value. The corresponding values of this given key here, we have to convert it. Okay, if we convert it, and after converting, now we have to consider these 2 numbers only. These 2 numbers only have to consider. Now we are performing the encryption operation. So it is Pi plus Ki for that particular value, then mod 26. If you perform this one, you will get 8 as the particular value here. If you take this example, 7 is the value of Pi and 0 is the value for Ki. So 7 plus 0 is 7. 7 mod 26 is again 7. So these are the values, C's value. Okay, these are the C's value, and then you can convert back into the given ciphertext here, or the given letters here. From the index value converted back to the letters here. Here from the given plain text letter converted to the index value, and from the last C's value you have to convert back to the given letters or the ciphertext here. So in this way we get the ciphertext here in the Vigenere Cipher. So remember that in Vigenere Cipher, first of all you will be given a plain text and also a given key. The given key is a particular word of any length, and by convention the length of that particular key is less than the given length of the given plain text here. For example, if M is the given length of the plain text, then the length of the plain text is always greater than the length of the key here. This is the plain text and this is the given key. The length of this one or the plain text is greater than the length of the given key. In this way, if the length of the plain text is more, then we can divide them into groups. Otherwise, we cannot divide them into groups here. So the 2 things you must remember is that the length of the plain text should always greater than the given key. Only then you can divide it. And at the last group, if you cannot divide it, or if the number is less than the given length of the key, then you keep the remaining plain text letter as it is and take only those corresponding keys here, starting from the left here, then perform the operations here. Similarly, when you want to convert back into when you want to perform the decryption operations, you perform the same operations here. Okay, the only thing is that we have to perform the subtractions here, and we also done how to perform the subtraction operations and how to perform the mod in case of a negative values here. So you must think that given a Vigenere cipher, how to perform the encryption and also how to retrieve the given plain text here. For example, in the questions I can give this given ciphertext, and then you are asked to find the given plain text here. You will be provided this keys here. Okay, so remember this particular method by its name. It is the Vigenere Cipher here. It is a Vigenere Cipher. Okay, thank you.